Hi, we want to solve for f of t in f of t plus 5 equals t squared plus 90 plus 8. Do you know this question even stumble a first student? But let's solve this together. So let's say solution. We have f of t plus 5 equals t squared plus, then we can make this 90 to be 1 plus 8 multiplied by t plus 8. So we have f of t plus 5 equals t squared plus 1 times t we have t plus 8 times t we have 8t plus 8. So from here we'll have t squared plus t squared plus t. Let's take them as one factor plus 8t plus 8. Let's take them as another factor. So here now we have a common factor here, which is t. So let's factorize this out. So we have t plus 1 plus common factor here is 8. So we have t plus 1. Looking at this, we have this and this the same, right? So therefore we'll have f of t plus 5 equals t plus 8 multiplied by t plus 1. All right. So looking at this is a domain. So now we want this to look exact as t plus 5, right? And to do that, we make it to be t plus 5, right? So let's add 3. So it becomes 8. So then again, we have t plus 5. To make it to be plus 1, we say minus 4, right? So now we replace t plus 5 with t. T plus 5, we make it to be t here, 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 right? So we are going to have f of t equals, we have t plus 5 here. So we have t plus 3. Here also we will have t minus 4. All right. So now we expand this. So we use this to multiply all this. We have t multiplied by t minus 4. Then we have plus 3 multiplied by t minus 4, right? So this is equals t times t, we have t squared minus 4t plus 3t minus 12, right? So just expanding the bracket. Therefore, we have f of t to be equals t squared minus 4t plus 3t, that is minus t, right? Minus 12, right? So just start this equation, note it. This is our answer, right? So these are f of t. So let's consider that as a method 1. So our second method, so let's try another method so that we can see which one works for us perfectly. So what do we have? We have f of t plus 5 equals t squared plus 90 plus 8. So here, let's say that our m to be equals t plus 5. So therefore, our t will be equals m minus 5, right? So now, let's observe that like we have factor t squared here. We are going to have t squared. We find 90. So to obtain t squared, we have to square this. If we square this, we are going to have t squared equals m minus 5 square. right? So, and we know that m minus 5 square means m minus 5 times m minus 5, right? So we will have t square equals, let's expand this. We have m times m, we will have m square minus 5 times m, that is minus 5m, right? Then we have this. We have minus 5 times m, we still have minus 5m. Minus 5 times minus 5, that is plus 25. Alright, so therefore we have t square equals m square minus 5m minus 5m, we have minus 10m plus 25. Alright, so also here we have to obtain 90, right? So 90 will be equals 9 times, what's our t? We have my m minus 5. If you expand this bracket, we have 9 times m, we have 9m minus 9 times minus 5, that is minus 45. Okay, so now it is easy for us to obtain 90 plus 8. So let's see, 90 plus 8. So we are going to have, we have 90 to be 9m minus 45. So we now have plus 8 here, plus 8, right? So now to get this t squared, the function for t squared plus 90 plus 8, we have to add up our t squared plus 90, or let's say t squared plus 90 plus 8, right? So now let's do. So we have f of m equals, we have m squared, right, minus 10m, right, plus 25 plus, okay, plus 9m minus 45 plus 8. So we're going to have f of m equals, we have m squared minus 10m plus 9m. So we are just collecting like time, plus 25 plus 45, sorry, minus 45 plus 8. So looking at this here, we have f of m equals, we have m squared minus 10m plus 9m. So we have minus m, 25 minus 45. So we have 20, then 20 plus, we have minus 20 plus 8. So we have minus 12, right? So what is left here is that we are obtaining f of t. So we have to change m to t. So therefore we have f of t equals t squared minus t minus 12. So this is our answer. You observe that the first method and the method for the second method, we have the same answer. So let's just see the one that's most convenient for us. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.